This is a question asking us to work out number of particles. We could work out number of moles first. If we work out number of moles for each of them, we could then times those all by Avogadro's number, and the one with the greatest one will be our answer. So we actually don't need to do it. We can just work out number of moles, and that will give us the answer. So first one here, we've got mass. So to work out moles, that's mass over mR. mR is going to be 2, so it's going to be 1 over 2, or 0.5 moles. Okay, next up we've got this one here, helium, which is going to be again mass over moles. This time we've got, oops, count on keyboard, we've got a mass of 1 over an mR of 4. Okay, so moles equals 1 over 4, or 0.25 moles. So obviously the green one is higher. Okay, what about these ones? Couple of ways to do these ones. You're told it's room temperature and pressure. So room temperature you meant to know is 298 Kelvin and pressure is 100 kilopascals. Okay, so we can just put it in the PV equals nRT equation. So PV equals nRT, rearrange for moles. So moles equals PV over RT. R you should know is 8.31. Okay, so that's 100,000 times 1 over, the volume needs to be in meters, so we divide that by 1,000, so 1 over 1,000 over 8.31 times temperature, which is going to be 298. Okay, so throw that all into the calculator. It's 0.0403. Let's go for 4SF, it doesn't really matter. So again, we got not very many moles. There's actually a quick way of doing that. So in GCSE, you may remember being taught that that volume equals moles times 24. This works here, so it's not as accurate as this equation here, but this works for standard room temperature and pressure. So therefore, moles would equal volume over 24, which is 1 over 24, because this is in dm cubed. So also comes out as, this one comes out as 0.04167. So very, very similar. So either way, this one's coming out to about 0.04. Okay, moles, hydrogen molecules. Okay, and then they do the same for the helium. I'm just going to do the quick 24 method. So it's going to be 1 over 24. It's the same, isn't it? It's going to be so 0.04 moles. So therefore, the one with the highest number of particles, because we could times all of these by Avogadro's constant, and this would be the one with the highest.